Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for Realme Narzo 50. So now I've just opened Google Play Store. Let's try finding Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no game right here. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go back, click on our profile icon, move to the settings, family, parental controls, and right here there's two ways we can fix that. First one is to disable parental controls, enter your PIN, then OK. Next is to go for apps and games, enter the PIN, click OK, and increase PGI to at least 18. Save that, go back, let's try finding Call of Duty again. And as you can see, the game is right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.